Hey everyone, welcome back to BTech. Apple just announced the iPhone 17 lineup, and here's everything you need to know in under 5 minutes. This year we got 3 models: the standard iPhone 17, the ultra-thin iPhone Air, and the powerhouse iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. Let's start with the iPhone Air. At just 5.6 millimeters, it's the thinnest iPhone Apple has ever made. It's built from titanium, has a 6.5-inch display, and packs a new 48-megapixel Fusion camera. Apple also went all in on eSIM this year, so no physical SIM card slot. The regular iPhone 17 got some solid upgrades too. A smoother 120Hz ProMotion display, the new A19 chip for faster performance and better battery life, and a stabilized selfie camera. Storage now starts at 256 gigabytes, so no more 128 gigabyte base model. But the stars of the show are the Pro and Pro Max models. These come with a full-width camera bump, vapor chamber liquid cooling for gamers, and the best battery life Apple has ever put into an iPhone, up to 39 hours of video playback. And the big talking point? The new 8x zoom on the Pro models. Now, here's the truth. The actual optical zoom lens is 4x. To reach 8x, Apple is doing a digital crop enhanced with AI image processing. The results are still impressive, but technically, it's not true optical zoom. Overall, the iPhone 17 lineup is thinner, faster, and more powerful, with the Pro models pushing Apple's mobile photography even further, though with a little marketing magic sprinkled in. So, are you going for the ultra-thin Air, the balanced iPhone 17, or the zoom-focused Pro models? Let me know what you think in the comments. And if you enjoyed this quick recap, don't forget to subscribe to BTech for more Apple updates, tech news, and reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.